make something really special today, cooking sweet apple hand pies. And it's my favorite thing to eat. Do you like apple pie? Apple, you don't like apple pies, but you like to bake? Okay, good. So you don't even have to like to eat what you make, but it's fun to cook with mom or dad or someone like grandpa or grandma, aunts and uncles, whoever's there, yeah? So let's go over what we're gonna do. What do we have here?
2 apples.
2 apples. This one is what kind? Do you remember what kind that is? You picked this one. Is that apple?
Turn it the other way.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Spots.
Is it a honey? It's a honey crisp apple?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this is my favorite kind of apple. It's called Pink Lady. Oh, this is so sweet. But they're all different tastes, but really good. Do you know what's in here? You want to smell it and see what it might be? No? It doesn't smell like anything. It's flour. So it doesn't even smell like anything. Does it? Yeah, it's flour. Sometimes we use flour to make things like bread and cookies.
Yummy.
Yes, yummy. Do you know what that is? Nutmeg. And you can smell that if you want. And then you can smell this one. This is cinnamon. This is my favorite. Don't get it too close to your nose. There. Oh, those are strong flavors, aren't they? But that's gonna make apple pie really good. What's this?
A lemon.
A lemon. A very special thing that we're gonna do with the lemon.
Egg.
An egg. That's a real egg. We're gonna break it in here in a little while. And then do you know what's inside this? Brown sugar. And that's gonna be our sugar in our apple pie today. And we're gonna make it, we're not gonna make pastry like you would roll it out and make an apple pie. We're gonna use puff pastry. And I've already undone the puff pastries and they're waiting for us. So let's get started. Mixing the egg. Mix it all up really good so the white and the yellow go together and it all looks yellow. Does it look pretty yellow? Okay, we're done.
Yep.
Okay, we'll put that aside. And now, what I do when I need lemon peel is I take this tool. And it's kind of a grater, but it really makes tiny, tiny, tiny little things that come out at the bottom. Do you see those, Finn? Ava, you see those? That's lemon peel that's coming out. We're going to need some lemon peel. Let me see. We need a teaspoon of yellow. You want to do it? Okay. Take that on that. What's there? You have to get it inside on there. There we go. And I'll turn the lemon. Yeah, do some more. And then turn the lemon and do some more. That looks great. I think that's enough. Ready?
I'm
Okay.
ready.
All right. Very good.
I can do like this.
Oh yeah.
Like
It's
that.
okay. We don't need all of it. We just need a little bit of it. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to juice the lemon. Yeah, we need a lot of juice. Okay, let me show you how, and then you can do it, okay? I poke my fork in like this, and then I work it like that. Okay, like that, and then tip it over so the juice runs out into the bowl. And I'll do another one with you. Just keep it in. Keep it in and just keep going like that. And the juice will run out. And then I squeeze it with my hand. Yeah, that's one way to make juice from lemons, to get them out. It's kind of hard, isn't it? You only need a tablespoon, I think. Ah, your juice is running all over my lemon. We're gonna need 1 teaspoon. So I think that's enough. Okay, Ava, what we're doing is we are before. Do you know what this is called? Peeling that apple, right? Take this thing called a peeler and you just take the skin right off. This is a good thing to have mom and dad do, I think. But would you like to try it? I think maybe what you do is push it away from you.
Okay.
Okay, push it away from you. Let's go away. Can I get behind you so that you, there we go. There we go. Hold on. You did it. Good. Okay, wait a minute. Let's position it so neither one of us get cut. Okay. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna finish that up. There, you did a good job on that. That was good. And then I'm gonna have you cut some of the apple with our special knife that we have that's not as sharp as the one I use, okay?
I can use sharp knives.
You can? Very safe to not use sharp knives for little 3 and 4-year-olds, right? My preschoolers shouldn't probably use a real knife. You're a little bit older. I'm gonna cut some off so that you can. Cut some of it yourself. Put this on your side. We want little pieces. Do you think you can cut some little pieces up? Okay, good job. And then you can cut more. Yeah, there you go. That's my frosting knife, but it makes a good knife to use when kids are cutting because you can't cut yourself on it. And then push it back this way so it doesn't fall off onto the floor. Push it all this way. Good job. Yeah, use your knife to do it. Good job. Yeah, this is a way to cut them really little, so you can make as small of pieces that you want. Good job. Good. And then you can put them in the big bowl. You know how I put them in the big bowl? Can I show you? I put all my pieces that I want to put into the big bowl. I put it on top and I just scrape them right in so they don't fall on the floor. You want to do what this is? See all those words? It's a recipe. And we're going to follow, I'm going to tell us what we need to add next and next and next. And I'm going to follow the recipe. And down here are all the words for the directions of how to do it, okay? So we need 2 apples all diced up, and we did that. Yay! And then we need 1/3 cup brown sugar. And we have to decide which one is the 1/3. It has a 3 on it. Do you see where these little guys are?
3.
Oh, there we go. There's a 1/3. That's right. So we don't need these. So let's put that inside here. Good job. Put it in and scoop it out.
It's high.
Yeah, and now
Whoa, that's a lot.
scrunch it down. Oh, good. You got a good one. Now put it in. Tap. Oh, it just came right out. Very good. All right. It says 2 tablespoons of flour. Do you see all these guys? Do you find the capital T on one of them? The biggest one? That's right. That's the tablespoon. And you get 1. Yeah, that's good. Dump that in. Good job. And then we need 1 teaspoon. That's this one, TSB. See the TSP on it? 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Can you dip it in there and get 1 whole? You know, that's not quite enough, so we're going to have to get a little bit more. Let me pour some of it in. Sometimes just hold it real steady. There we go. Put that in. You did it. And then 1 teaspoon, keep that out, of cinnamon. Cinnamon. We don't want too much, so that's a little bit too much. I'm going to get some of it back up. That's good. Okay. And then we don't need as much nut because it's stronger. Good job. So we're going to use the 1/2. You see 1 and 2? So fill that up. Not quite that much. A little bit. Tap, tap, tap. Yeah, that's good. So now we need to stir it. And I bet you know how to stir it really, really good. Stir it all up. Ooh, I forgot something. 1 teaspoon of lemon peel. How did we forget that? You keep stirring and I'll add it, okay?
Okay.
So we got it all done here.
Apple came out.
Yep. Everything's clean. My counter is clean. Our hands are clean. We washed our hands, didn't we? So everything is clean. I think you've got it. Okay, we're going to take 1 great big spoonful and put in the middle of each little square. I took our puff pastry and cut them into 9 pieces. Do you want me to count while you're doing that? Let's make sure we have 9. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And over here, these are our bottoms where all the apple mixture goes. Go ahead. And these are going to be the tops where we're going to cover them up. It is. Let me show you first, okay?
Okay.
We're going to put a top on every one. Now we have to push the sides together like this, all 4 sides, okay? On each one. The last thing that we get to do is paint them with eggs, and it's going to make them real shiny. Let me show you. All you do is this, and you have to paint it really good. So every place is going to get all shiny on top when they cook. Paint the whole thing. Good job. So you like to paint. Did you ever think you would be painting with eggs? Isn't that fun? In cooking, we get to do things. It's kind of like art, but it's a little different. Okay, what do we do now?
We put them in the oven.
Oven for 20 minutes on 350 degrees, okay? Put them in, and what do we not want to touch while they're in the oven? We don't want to touch the oven? Yeah, because it's very hot and it would burn us. All right, so now we have to wait. I'm going to put my timer on. 20. And when that goes ding, they're going to be done. And then we have to cool them, and then we can eat them. One fun thing that we like to do at preschool is we like to do letter searches. And so some of our older kids really love to do this. I took our recipe of sweet apple handpies and I made it a little bit bigger and gave Ava the marker, so kind of a highlighter, and she was to find all of the uppercase A's and all the lowercase A's that look like this because they're typed. So you did that. Was that fun? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let's count how many we found all together, okay? Here we go.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. How many all together? 32. Yay! think they're done?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna open, stand back. Make sure we don't get anywhere near the oven. And we really have to be careful so I don't get burned either.
They're really
Ooh,
white.
are they shiny on top?
Yeah.
They are. Now I'm gonna put them over here and we will let them cool way down and then we can eat them. Are you looking forward to eating some?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? You're gonna try some later after they cool off a lot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Grandma, there's a little bit on this side and
It's okay.
it kind of looks like a little mouth.
That's fun.
Look.
Preschool friends, thank you for joining us today making sweet apple hand pies. And till next time we cook together, let's say goodbye. Bye, preschool friends. See you.